Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm actually doing something so exciting that I've never done before. So I saw a couple of videos of this girl. I have her link to the video down below, but she did like, what's it called? I bought the cheapest item on Gucci, and it was like literally so fun to watch, so I thought I would do my own. And so I decided to do Hermes, purely because like Hermes, like it's not as like Gucci is very they've kind of adapted to like a younger market and made their things that really high-end price but more in its reach, whereas Hermes is really known for their like Birkins, which start at 8 grand and go up to like $250,000 plus, and those are handbags. So Hermes is very, very, very expensive. And yeah, even their little like bracelets are like $700-800. That it's just a very expensive place to shop. And I don't want to make this video too long because you're here for one thing and one thing only, and that is to see what the cheapest thing on Hermes was. Now I looked through literally everything. Oh, my sock box. I looked through absolutely everything. I looked through their notebooks, I looked through candles, I looked through fragrance. There was one thing that popped up and it was a bedside table that was $27,000. I was like, why? Their notebooks were like $500. The refills for that was like $500. Their perfume was expensive, and I've smelled it as well. It's not that great. I think there was one that actually was alright. Absolutely nothing that was leather was under like $300. Like absolutely everything on their website, so expensive. But then I think I went into like their stationery part, and they had like pencil cases and all these weird stuff. They had, what are they called, like coloring in books and stuff, and they were like $60, and I was like, okay, we're in the right section. So then I went into, I don't even know what the tab was, but I ended up discovering their pens. Now their pens are $2,500. Like, I'm not a pen fanatic, so I don't really know too much about it, but I went onto that. But then it was like ink cartridges and stuff like that, and they were so cheap. And I found some other notebooks in that sort of same section that were like $20 and stuff, and I was like, okay, I'm finding the cheap stuff now. So the cheapest thing I could find was a ballpoint ink pen refill, and I'll have a picture of that right now. That was $10, but I was like, that's so boring. And so I like clicked down into the next one, and it was like a box of these refills for a different pen, and that was $15. And I was like, if I'm gonna spend $10 or $15, I may as well get something that's not just a simple pen, because the $15 one came in a box, and I was like, that's slightly more exciting. So I did cheat a little bit. This isn't the cheapest on the website, but it's the second cheapest, because if I was spending $15, I may as well have gotten like a box or something fun for it, because I knew I wouldn't get a box because literally it's just a refill pen. But this actually came in a box the way it was presented, so I hope that's what it looks like. So I purchased this, and as I was purchasing it, and what was very difficult to purchase, it kept taking me back to like the page, and it was very annoying. It asked if this was a gift, and I was like, it said they'll gift wrap it for me, so I don't know if they have. We will see. And then their little store location, not their store, their warehouse was in New South Wales, and they shipped to me in Queensland for free. TNT free shipping, and it was like 1 to 5 day shipping, and I got an email the next day saying it was going to come yesterday. So I ordered it on Monday, and it said Tuesday morning that I was going to get it. It didn't come at all. Not really that that's their fault, it's more the delivery service, and then it actually came at midday today. So I'm guessing that shipping probably cost more than the ink, which is insane. It's pretty funny. But yeah, I think I've actually literally, they probably spent more. The fact that they gave you free shipping was pretty good, because I reckon the shipping would have been more expensive. Actually, is this under, oh, maybe not. But I mean, they sent it from Sydney. So, and they sent it to Sydney to Coolangatta. I don't live in Coolangatta, but that's where they would have sent it to, and then they would have gotten a courier over here. That's insane. So yeah, this is what it came in. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my address on it, but it says overnight express postage, and as I was saying, I reckon that would have costed more than $15, so probably the shipping alone worth more. So I'm just gonna open this up now. Oh my god! I got a little... Oh, I actually put on there if I could get a little carrier box. And they put one in there. This is honestly the most exciting part about buying anything from any of these stores. Like, I keep all my Louis Vuitton bags because it's just so exciting to, like, I don't know, that's like literally my favorite part. But how cute! Give me a little box. Like, that's so exciting. Oh. Then, oh, cute. Oh, and it did tell me that it was going to give me a blank card, which I think is just so nice. Louis Vuitton do this as well. So it's just got the little Hermes logo on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's just a blank card. So it's just got their emblem on it. And it's like 3D, and it comes in a little envelope. Okay, I don't want to like put this anywhere because I got a lot of makeup in here. Then we have this, which says Hermes on it. So I'm just gonna open this. Oh my god, this has been sealed. The receipt things are huge. Wow. Oh, it's a little return form. That's pretty nice. And then it's got their stores written. My closest store is the Gold Coast one, obviously at Pacific Fair. It did give me an option to pick it up in store, but I was like, I don't want to look like a loser, but did that. That doesn't have my address on it, but it's a little receipt there. Cute. So then that just goes back in there, and then on the other side is the return. Then we have the box. Oh my god, it's packaged so nicely. So this is the box. I just love that this is what you get for $15. Like, still their service is just like impeccable. Oh, like, it's got the little tissue and oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, so I just can't, it's so cute. All right, let's do it. Oh my god, I hope like I know someone that has this pen because they're really awkward. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, look at the little thing it came in. I'm like a sucker for miniatures. Oh my god. Okay, and even the goddamn ink cartridges have Hermes written on them. Like, it's very hard to see because they're so tiny. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing I have ever seen. Oh, but like I think that's what makes shopping at places like this like so exciting, is just, you know, getting to unbox all this stuff, like all the, oh my god, all the tissue paper is falling everywhere, but you get like all this tissue paper and all that. But like whenever I unbox bags or like little things that I bought, just unboxing them is the cutest thing ever. And I just noticed even like the touches on this, like it says let's play, and then it says Hermes 2018 on the ribbon. Oh, that's like such a cute little touch. My camera doesn't have autofocus, but it says Hermes 2018. The stitching even on this is just insane. I don't even want to know how much all the packaging alone cost, but they did a really, really good job. Like, thank you so much. I reckon all this packaging plus the shipping would have been worth way more than it was, but I feel like that's how they kind of keep customers, just the packaging, the experience, the fun. It's like opening presents on Christmas Day. Honestly, like opening these sort of things is my favorite thing ever. But this video was so exciting to film. I really, really want to do another one. I actually have a couple brands I've got my eyes on, and I know what the cheapest thing on there already is. So let me know if you want to see more of these videos. But this was just so exciting. Like, wow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!